And welcome to ePrime. I'm Crystal. The Missionaries of the Poor launched their latest initiative with Father Holong unveiling their newest production titled Queen Esther and with major corporate backing. Queen Esther runs on November 11 and 12 and again on November 18 and 19 at the National Arena and promises patrons a cultural exchange of music and laughter.
It's now 46 years of performances. We have actually existed for 48 years, but 46 years of performances. It gives so much confidence to the brothers that we can have this annual production. I think the music is very, very Jamaican. This year we purposefully chose rhythms that are very, 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 very akin to the roots of our people, in going back to the center and heart of our music. Mento, calypso, ska, reggae, and some ballads too. And Christ-centered, God-centered music. You will see, I think, a very beautiful production filled with music.
Queen Esther is a charitable event with all proceeds in aid of the work of the Missionaries of the Poor. Celebrations for the legendary Peter Tosh culminated on the weekend. One of the celebratory events this year was the Peter Tosh tribute concert, which showcased performances from Bunny Wailer, Luciano, Freddie McGregor, and many more. Here are the highlights.
Just because you think it's just so smart, going around, breaking down their heart. Please don't criticize me.
Well, I've been doing this every year because even when they keep it in Belmont, I was there too. You know, I try to support our great icons who have paved the way for us, because to me, that is like honoring the great work that they have done, acknowledge that, you know. So it's great to be a part of it the second year consecutively, ever since the launching of the museum, you know, and I love what I see.
Nominations are in for the 2017 Music of Black Origin Awards, MOBO, and 5 Jamaicans are up in the category of Best Reggae Act for the year. Vying for the title are recording artists Idonia, Alkaline, Chronix, Damian Marley, and Popcorn. Idonia, currently riding the charts with his summer hit Yeah Yeah, is up for his second MOBO nomination. Alkaline, Chronix, and Popcorn have all been nominated twice before. Grammy awardee Damian Marley won his last MOBO award in 2015. The MOBO Award show is held annually in the United Kingdom to recognize artists of any ethnicity or nationality performing black music. The 22nd annual MOBO Awards will take place on November 29 in Leeds, England. And that's it for this evening's edition of ePrime. I'm Crystal. Thank you for watching.